Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to buy index funds on Vanguard. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, log in to your Vanguard account. Once on the home page, click on Transact, then select Buy and Sell. Enter the ticker symbol of the index fund you would like to purchase. In this example, VTSX is used. After entering the symbol, click Get Quote. On the quote page, information about the index fund will be displayed, including the current share price and any minimum investment requirement. Some Vanguard index funds require a minimum initial investment before shares can be purchased. If the minimum investment requirement has not yet been met, consider purchasing the ETF version of the fund instead. Vanguard typically provides information on whether an index fund has an equivalent ETF share class. For example, VTI is the ETF equivalent of VTSX. Unlike many index funds, ETFs generally do not have minimum investment requirements beyond the cost of a single share. Once the index fund has been selected and the investment requirements have been met, click Buy. Next, choose the account where the index fund will be purchased. Enter the dollar amount you would like to invest. For this example, a small amount is entered to demonstrate the process. After entering the investment amount, click Continue Order. Verify that sufficient funds are available in the selected account to complete the purchase. Then, click Preview Order. On the preview page, Vanguard will display a summary of the transaction, including the selected index fund, the account being used, and the amount being invested. Carefully review all of the information to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. If all the details are accurate, click Submit Order. Once the order has been submitted, Vanguard will process the purchase according to the index fund's trading schedule. A confirmation of the transaction will be available in the Account Activity or Transaction History section after the order has been accepted. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.